Hi guys, it's Michelle. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to unlock the jump rope crisscross. One of the common mistakes is positioning the handles upward, which makes your rope shorter. Refrain from doing this so you won't trip over the rope when doing the crisscross. Another common mistake is positioning the handles downward, which tends to make your rope too long. This can also be a reason why you're tripping over the rope when you cross your arms. To do it properly, always cross your arms below your navel area. Handle should always be parallel to the ground, and the handle should be outside the hips. Before you start jumping, practice first the figure 8 motion on both hands, like what I'm doing in this video. Once you get this, you can now move on to the next drill. Here are some tips to get the timing. Once you cross your arms, jump when the handles are parallel to the ground. Start uncrossing when the rope is above your head. Jump over the rope again when the handles are beside your hips. To practice the timing, let's now move on to the toe catch drills. Swing the rope in front, cross your arms, and catch the rope with your toes. Do this at least 20 times to get used to the cross. Make sure that the handles are outside your hips. Once you master the toe catch drills, try doing the crisscross by adding a jump. You can try this sequence: 2 basic jumps, 1 crisscross, then repeat as many as you like. If you can do the previous sequence, you can now try 1 basic jump, 1 crisscross, then repeat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and train your body to get stronger.